Hey guys, in this video we will talk about signs that you have potential reimbursement and actually you can have more cash flow within the business. So we will go straight to the point. This is Milan, this is Marco, and Milan is an Amazon expert, and now he will tell you what exactly you need to do regarding reimbursements.
Hey guys, first keep track everything that you're doing, especially regarding inventory, what you're sending to FBA, what your current inventory is, especially with all the bounces of customer returns and so on. Things that you really need to monitor is the inventory ledger and under fulfillment reports. So here you can exactly see what potential refund you can do for particular products that you're something happened, for example, with the shipments, with the customer return, with the misplaced or damaged units in the warehouses of Amazon. So those are the first indications that clearly you can refund the money from Amazon. The second thing is shipments, of course, that you can select all the closed ones because the working and ready to ship or currently in transit are ones that are in process. So all the closed ones, you can definitely go and see what amount of the units you can see and reimbursed. For example, this huge shipment have a lot of potential for the refunds here as well. And each of these, you can see how many things happen in the Amazon warehouse that you need to constantly monitor. And those are all potential refunds for you without much issues moving forward.
So we have basically, they can see here on quantity, and if it's in the minus, the more quantity, they have potential to reimburse.
We only cover the last 7 days, and we only cover one seller central and one brand. But so if you have constantly sales and you have a lot of conversions and things that are happening on your seller account, the more options for the refunds are there.
Yeah, makes sense. So yeah, of course, the more money is running through your business, the more, of course, you have potential. There is more chance for Amazon to make mistakes, and you can get more reimbursements for their mistakes. So that's why you should pay highly attention to this, and also to this part here. These are like the most important signs. Is there like any other sign?
Those are the most important signs, guys. And so if you see there are a lot of things here, you can clearly do it by yourself or contact us if you want an expert to guide you through or resolve all the issues. Submit the cases, contact him at Amazon and get actual refunds for yourself.
Because if you try to do this on your own, you can try to do this on your own, but it's just going to take a lot of time. And you can try to use automated tools as well. There are tools, of course. It's not like we are the only ones who can help you with this. But the difference is how you are communicating with the Amazon support, because there is potential that you will just squeeze out a small amount of what you can actually get in return. And that's why we highly suggest you, of course, to hire us to do this properly. But you can notice these signs. You can try this on your own. You can try to use other tools, but we highly suggest you to give this someone who is a professional. Sorry that I'm salesy, but I want to be salesy because I believe that we are doing a really good job, and that's why I want to tell you this. So pay attention to these signs, and then after that, try to do this on your own or hire us to do this properly. So yeah, do you have anything else to add? I just have something else to add.
You're right, actually. But for example, my experience with the tools and those type of automation, they will not cover everything. They will just pile cases up and they will not follow those cases. You really need to be constant with the communication with Amazon support in order to get that resolved. Those systems and those tools are not that helpful. Just saying from my perspective of view and my experience, everything doing by us is manual, and we have a huge percentage of success for those type of issues.
Can you tell them, well, now this is on top of my head, what was the highest case how long you have been talking with support in order to get reimbursements. That would be interesting for people to know.
I would say like 4 months. Yeah, back and forth, because Amazon is stubborn, and those guys in Amazon support, they will just try to convince you they are not eligible, or they will not, they don't want to refund you, because those are a really huge amount of money, and they will try their best to constantly neglect what you have to say regarding those issues and for those things that you submitted for the refunds.
Awesome. Okay, guys, thank you very much, and talk to you soon. Bye.